going on, guys? We are back with another vlog. We are headed down. We got both for the first time ever. We got Sally and the brand new 2024 Razer 1000 XP 4-seater on the trailer at the same time. I'll put a picture, maybe I'll put a picture like right here or something. But guys, we're headed down to Mudslingers off-road trails in Woodland, Mississippi today to ride with none other than Real Talk Powersports, the big CF Moto guys, Blake and them. So guys, we're super excited. There is a toy drive going on down here, and I can't wait to ride. Like, I can't wait to get my first mud hole. Got my Gator waders today. Got my Gator wader jacket, Gator wader waders. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to film. I'm ready to have a fun time. I'm ready, guys. I'm beyond ready. So I'm gonna flip y'all around, give y'all a little road trip vlog. If y'all do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit that like and drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all think so far, and we'll pick y'all back up here soon.
All right, we're headed down to Mudslingers in Woodland, Mississippi today to meet up with Jacob. I got a Honda Foreman 500 with me on some 28-inch Outlaws. I plan on going hole for hole with Sally. Probably not a smart idea, 44s versus 28s, but should be fun day. Hopefully it's not too cold. It's around 35, 40 right now. Hopefully it warms up a little bit. But either way, it should be a fun day. So yeah, see you all there.
Guys, we are coming up on the Mississippi state line right here. We are about to cross into Mississippi right now, guys. Super excited. We're about an hour and a half away or so, give or take. There's your Mississippi sign right there. Bam. And we are in Mississippi. Been a good little ride so far. Ain't had no issues, so keeping our fingers crossed. So guys, if you've been watching the channel for quite a while, a couple years, you saw me back whenever Sally was on basically 9-inch lift, based on like 40s, 3-inch Outcast, 6-inch Portals, and 40s. And me and Chase Matthew have rode here a couple times together. We've also rode B&B off-road as well, so be sure to go check out those videos. I'll probably link them in the video or something. So if you're interested in going back and watching those videos, be sure to do so. I'll pick y'all back up when we're pulling in. We're arriving at Mudslingers, so hopefully some more people show up. It's only 10:40. That's not even 11 o'clock yet, so we'll see. Main Street cycle people are here, so that's a good sign. Wonder if Blake's already here or not. Oh, there's one of his rigs, so I'll turn in here, see if this Toyota will get out of the way. Hey, I got a big trailer. Like Team Main Street Cycle set up. That's pretty cool. They got all their merch set up. It's good stuff, good stuff. Just freaking pulled up over here at, where are we at? Mudslingers over in Woodland, Mississippi. Got the machines behind me. And look at who it is. None other than Real Talk Powersports, Mr. Blake over here. Where exactly are you from, Blake?
Well, we're from Tishomingo.
Tishomingo?
About an hour and 45 minutes from here.
That's not a tongue twister at all. Tishomingo. I'm going to have to get used to that one.
Yeah,
but guys, they pulled up. They have all their Main Street Cycle custom stuff, all their CF Motos. Dude, honestly, I don't think I've ever really rode with any CF Motos, so this is going to be groundbreaking for me. So I'm not only ready to see the machines. I've never rode with Blake. We met before in Kentucky when I ran in reverse. Y'all can check that video. I'll link that video right here. But yeah, we hadn't seen each other since then, so we're gonna run these trails down. You got anything to say?
Oh man, just excited to ride with you, and we got some plans for another ride coming up together. So
sounds good.
Just excited.
Hopefully we can hit Dry Creek on New Year's. I know we're in the sun, so the angle is horrible. I'm trying to block the sun with my head. But guys, be sure to get your Gator waders, WTM10. You got a code?
I don't.
Okay.
I don't. We
Well,
sell them at Main
Oh,
Street
okay. Well, you
Cycles,
get the hookup
Yeah,
anyway.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
guys, either check out Main Street Cycles for all your CF Moto parts. But Gator Waders themselves, if you're in the Mississippi area, check them out. If not, use my code WTM10, get you 10% off. Yes, sir. Let's go. Awesome. No, he said snorkel bracket for the snorkel for the radiator. Where y'all from?
Diablo, Mississippi.
Yeah. What? Say that again.
Diablo, Mississippi.
Diablo,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not gonna repeat that, but I'll take your word on it. Y'all just get out here. Y'all been out? Well, you've probably been out here for a while. You said you already sunk it once.
What time is it? Been out here since like 9.
Oh, it ain't too bad. Y'all only been here for about an hour and a half. No snorkel or still? Oh, he got the still snorkel. We won't tell nobody though. We'll make it look like you going deep with no snorkel. And y'all, okay, 420 gang. Just won 300 here. So got Mr. Josh pulling up in his F-250 with his questionable foreman. So never seen this one before. Clapped out machine, dude. It's already smoking.
I traded this for a John motor.
So guys, as y'all know, y'all seen this guy like 1.5 million times in my videos. This is Mr. Josh Likes. He'll be helping me film today as usual. He didn't pull up in the Talon. He didn't pull up in the 850 high lifter. He pulled up in a 500 Foreman on 28s. We're gonna take this thing deep. So let's see if it'll run underwater. If not, we'll find out.
Yeah, it'll be all right.
I'm just gonna unload this. Let's see if he flips or not. I hope he doesn't. What is it? Is this an oil leak?
Probably, who knows?
Oh yeah, water's going in the motor today.
All right.
I don't know if y'all can hear me over my four-wheeler, but we're gonna run down to the track with Blake and them. We're gonna do some racing with the side-by-side first, then we're gonna go mudding on the four-wheeler, so stay tuned. You think about my Razer, just first little thought? I mean, did it surprise you a little bit?
Oh, it's ripping, dude. It sounds good with that GGB
It
exhaust.
does.
And it's definitely ripping. And hey, low gear, I thought it was going to be wound out too much, but I think it's perfect for this track. Like,
it's running it in high RPMs, but you're in it all the time.
Yeah.
Like there's no letting out. You don't have to,
right.
you know, when you let out, you're still in it. Like,
oh, yeah.
and high, when I'm coming out of that corner, like right there, it feels a little laggy and high because it's not as high. The RPM, you're not in the RPMs as much.
Yeah,
so.
and people need to know that you're running some pretty heavy tires.
Yeah, I am also running 33-inch System 3s, which is one of the heavier all-terrain tires.
Absolutely,
So,
yeah.
I mean, imagine if I was on stocks.
Oh,
Woo!
yeah, you'd be lighting it up, no doubt.
Well, we're gonna watch you rip real quick.
All right.
He's got old Mr. Josh Likes videoing y'all, so. Get it, son. There we go. 17-second lap. see if he's any faster.
Hey, he's going really fast on that backside.
Yeah, he is. He's flying. 15-second lap, a little bit faster. There's his final lap right here. He slowed up a little bit.
That's it. All right, here we go. Mark on the Gen 2 1000.
It's a lot faster. As long as he can pick up speed right here. He can pick up speed right here. He's fast. I'm gonna hit stop this time instead of hitting lap. Right here.
Ready?
Pretty good run so far. What was his first lap? Okay, so he's running a little bit slower than the four-wheelers.
15.81.
That's pretty quick. That's about as quick as yours, wasn't it? Yeah. 'Cause you're not starting from a dig. $52. So that's a tad slower than the four-wheelers.
I did lap and then stopped.
Okay. Let's do a quick little time trial here, guys, against the two-seater CF Moto, see what we got going on. Maybe a four-seater being heavier and longer might be a disadvantage, but maybe the exhaust and the Pandemic Performance tune will surpass the two-seater. We'll see. Y'all ready?
Fastest time's 15.91. Woo! He was getting it. What's his time? 15.91 on the 30 lap. Very good.
Very good.
15.91.
Fastest time of the day? Maybe.
Hey, it may
It felt like the
1591.
track, like you said, since the, got a little clapping Honda in the background. That's typical. We're in Mississippi, sorry. It's Tennessee too, I bet lie. Y'all changed the track completely. Y'all's runs, did they not?
Oh yeah, for sure.
That berm
No
right
doubt.
there was not there earlier. So if we ran around it some more, I believe me and you could get some faster times for sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Because that berm, I kept hitting and I had to slow down because no front sway bar, you know,
Yeah.
and it feels tippy. First time running on a track. So
Yeah, yeah.
rowdy run though, rowdy
That was
run.
fun, dude. Awesome running. Yes, sir.
You're not moving.
You're moving forward now. Well, you were. There you go, you're moving now, yep. Easy on the gas, let them tires do the work. You're spinning them too fast. Outlaw Maxes only work when you spin them slow. Let them spin slow, yep, let them spin slow. Let the tires do the work. There you go. Gonna let them Outlaws eat.
That's one way to do it.
Car tires is what I call those. Not a big fan of the Aztecs, no. They seem to be floating, so that's all that matters. My buddy had 34.5-inch Aztecs on his, and I had 32.5s. He was on a Can-Am, I was on a Sportsman. For some reason, mine would walk the dog. I don't know if it was because of tires or Can-Am versus Polaris, I don't know. See, to me, they don't just hook, you know. He looks bottom down also, so. Gosh, and the old four-seater. I haven't came up with a name for the four-seater, but four-seaters for now. Yeah.
Gotta start with an S.
Maybe. All right, we're gonna get us a little Renegade pulled out here. What size tire? Are you on 34 or 5s? That's what I thought. He's gonna back up. All right. Let's go, Kenny. Renegade on 35 inch Outlaw Maxes. Maybe. It worked earlier.
I don't know if the Honda got that.
It'll float. We'll add some air in your tires. He's sitting on frame in the rear. There you go. She's chewing a little bit. She's trying to. We're over here at Mudslingers. Y'all already seen, we ran the side-by-side. I believe my side-by-side's faster than a 950 CF Moto. I don't know, y'all tell me. But guys, we're about to take Sally out for the first time in like 6 months, so let's do this thing. Very anticlimactic. It's still running though, for now. Told you it wouldn't run. Very, very disappointing, Josh.
That didn't last long.
Oh! Blow into the snorkel.
He's like, suck all the water.
Alright guys, we got the KFI tire tail hooked up. Josh messed up. It did break it. Hey, it stayed on there though. It stayed on there. What'd you say?
I watch your YouTube channel.
Hey, I appreciate that. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all so much. Y'all the realest. We about to go ride some. Y'all want to go ride?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the pond.
All right.
I'll see y'all over there.
Keep going. Keep trucking. You're pushing. Just ride that wall. I bet. Oh, you're just pushing all the mud. I can see it. Hey, no. Alright, so we got a four-wheeler hooked up to him and it's just pulling him forward the whole time, so hopefully this will get him out. That works. I hope you have a gear reduction.
gonna bounce you to your right a little bit, I think. Yeah.
Josh is loading it up with a halfway. I don't know if it is broke or not. We'll find out. Ah, you got it. You got it. Easy money. Oh yeah. I think those guys are working on a 420 Rancher over there maybe. I don't know. Can't tell. Yeah. Hey, they're listening to some Gavin too. Alright guys. We finally loaded Sally back up. It was, everything's like super thick out here. On the boys. We picked up Mr. Caden back here. Where are you from, Caden?
Pontotoc.
Pontotoc, Mississippi? That's pretty awesome, dude. We got the 4-seater. He wanted to ride with me, so we're going to let him ride. We're going to go watch these races real quick. And we're going to head back to Tennessee. So, pick y'all back up here in a minute. Guys, we have had a blast over here at Mudslingers, over here in Woodland, Mississippi. We're here with Blake from Real Talk Powersports, guys. Y'all be sure to hit that subscribe button to his channel. Blake, tell us a little bit more about your channel.
Yeah, man, we mostly you're going to see CF Motos on my channel, but
you work at a CF Moto dealership, so
work at a CF Moto dealership. So,
I'd probably run them too.
That's right. That's right. So that's what I ride.
Trail
all the time.
riding, mud riding, what?
Yeah, we do a big mixture of a lot of trail riding, a lot of like rock crawling, hill climbing.
So y'all know how I went to Tackett. He's been to Windrock a couple times, and he's also rode with Adrenaline Junkie. And I know a lot of y'all. Like on my analytics page, it shows that a lot of y'all watch Adrenaline Junkie. So if y'all like Adrenaline Junkie, his content's kind of the same. In his own form, of course.
Right. Yeah. It's so we have a blast. I got to ride with Julian a lot, and that's fun. And but we plan to do some more riding together in the future, and so we try to do a mixture of ATV riding. We do some. I'm trying to get back into the mud game, so I've got a set of mud tires for this. Just put portals on a CF Moto. That's
I've never seen a CF Moto on portals. So
I'm about to get some mud tires for it.
That's this is the guy that pulled me out of there, by the way.
Oh yeah.
The Portal 950. So that's 950, right?
Yeah,
okay.
950.
I didn't know if they were 1,000 or not.
Yeah.
Basically, y'all's 1,000.
Right.
Yeah, guys.
There's more coming from CF Moto that. If you've kind of done a little research on CF Moto,
I follow you. I see all the stuff you share.
There's some big stuff coming, so it's going to be exciting, and I'm excited to be a part of that. And just if you want into that kind of stuff, I try to compare CF Moto against other machines, just to, you know, show what they're like, you know, compared to
I rode
others.
this thing earlier, and let me tell you, it surprised me. I did not think that it would have that much power. It's so snappy. It's perfect delivery. I would like to see a little bit more grab on when it's going downhill. Other than that,
Yeah.
it's a solid machine. It
Yeah.
feels very solid. So, guys, like I said, it's absolutely free to subscribe to both of us. So be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe right now. And jump over, I'll link his in the description. Jump over to Real Talk Powersports. Hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a dime. So appreciate y'all. You know, I always got to talk with my hands.
Okay.
So
Yeah, me too. I get it.
I actually
get it.
make fun of myself for doing that. So we'll see y'all on the next. All right, Josh, do we have fun out here at Mudslingers?
You know, I had fun.
Had fun.
I wish I would have looked at that further before I brought it.
You wish you would have brought the Talon?
Yeah, I really do.
Yeah. Well, till next time, guys, we're about to head back to Tennessee. So see y'all in the next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. See y'all in the next one.